some final thoughts and advice. Hopefully you've enjoyed this course and you've learnt all the key skills that you need to take your app marketing to the next level. I've certainly enjoyed making this course for you. Remember, keep on talking to your users and refining your marketing strategy to effectively communicate with them. Not only will this result in more people installing and using your app, but it will result in vital information to help you improve on your app's subsequent releases. And don't forget to check out my other courses on Skillshare, to start a business day with a lean approach and how to build a killer app and make millions this year. And also don't forget to read my book, which is now available on the Amazon Kindle, to take your app marketing to the next level. Stay in touch with me at my website, thedigitalentrepreneur.co.uk, or on Twitter, Dan K. Amos. Just tweet me there. It's probably the best way to get hold of me directly. But I'd love to hear how you progress and how your apps are really being used in the market and how you're making money and succeeding from building and marketing your apps. Good luck.